In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grille on this Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. At the top, there's a Phillips head screw. Put a screwdriver on it and remove it. Now, unfortunately, my tab is broken, so this is not going to basically do much for me. So I'm going to get rid of that. At this point, you should be able to pull straight out on the corner light, get it off of the vehicle, and on the back side, you'll see the tab for the electrical connector. Press it, wiggle this back and forth until it pops out. Set that aside. Do the same on the other side. At this point, you should be able to take your grille and wiggle it, maybe pry on some clips here. Unfortunately, mine is broken, so it actually pops right off. If you look on the back side of it, you'll see all these tabs along the back of it, and most of them are broken. Looks like there's one that's still intact, and if you look closely, you'll see a tab here that sticks up and down. Sometimes you're supposed to pinch these to free up the grille. Like I said, mine are all broken except for this one, so it falls right out. Now, let's take the grille and slide it over the headlights. Make sure you don't scratch anything. Try to line it up with all of its mounting points. You'll see if you look from the top, all of the pins that need to line up. Just kind of wiggle it into place. Watch both ends so that you make sure they're all sliding into where they're supposed to. And press it on around the headlight at the bottom here. It has a little clip that locks in. There you go. You'll hear the clips kind of snap into place. Perfect. The grille's now nice and tight. Unfortunately, we are missing our emblem, the logo here. So if you had it, it would just have 3 clips on the backside, here, here, and here. Unclip them, pinch them, take it out, and slide it into the new one. Like I said, we are missing ours, so I cannot replace it because there's nothing to take out here. We have to transfer over these trim pieces here at the bottom of the grille underneath the headlights. To do this, there are just a couple tabs that you have to press in and slide the trim piece out. So this one right here, you have to press in while you slide out on the trim piece. Up top, there's supposed to be the same exact looking clip. Mine is completely broken, so I'm going to skip that one. However, underneath, there's another one hiding right here. Pry that out. I'm doing this with a pick. You could do it with anything else that you have that'll get in there. Once you slide that out, you should be able to unlock this trim piece. Do the same to the other one. Mine is unfortunately missing, so let's put this one in. Once you think it's lined up, press it in. There we go. Do the same to the other side. Now, let's plug in the corner light. Once that connector clicks, line it up. It's got a tab down here and one up here. And of course, at the same time, the top needs to slide under the fender, but over the grille and the headlight here. Make sure you line everything up nicely. And if it doesn't seem to line up, take it back out and look at it again. Otherwise, you can break it if you tap it in like this without it being lined up. Now with everything lined up, install the Phillips head screw to lock everything down. When you tighten this, don't over tighten it because it's just screwing into plastic. So once it gets snug, just give it an extra turn and you should be good to go. Do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.